Yes, so the story is about a family that has a mother and an abusive dad, and then they choose to go to America. And firstly is the mother. She escapes Mexico and leaves the family behind, and then she comes one day and takes the oldest girl with her, and then she's on a long journey to the US, where she finds a lot of difficulties. For example, she gets lost and gets deported back to Mexico, and then she needs to go back to the US again, and then she finds a man that buys her clothes and all kind of accessories and food and then she what's it called? Then she gets abused by those men for a long time, and then she one day she escapes from their place and ends up in a house and knocks on it, and then she couldn't speak English, so she tried in Spanish. And a woman opens the door and helps her, gives her food to eat, and takes care of her. And then she remembers her mom's phone number and calls that, and then they come together, like her mom and and the daughter. Yes, and then they live together after that.
Yeah.
And then what is the purpose of the documentary? The purpose of the documentary is to try and make people emphasize for these immigrants and make it easier as well, and not just deport them, because they came a long way and they most definitely don't want to, how can you say it, misuse their chance of being in the US. And of course there is a lot of other kind of purposes of the documentary, but mainly that these aren't evil people that should be deported back, but they have taken a long way and came a long way to come here.
The purpose of the documentary is given by using very emotional pictures to make the viewers feel sad.
Yes.